Welcome back everybody. In today's video we're going over the Harbor Freight Dollar Days that's going on from July 16th through the 29th. As always, we'll go through the Dollar Day stuff, and at the end we'll see if there's any new products. So let's get started. First thing we got here is a Pittsburgh pencil tire gauge for $1, 22% off. This is very nice to have. I have one of these in the glove box of every vehicle I own. Very nice, so you got it with you when you need to check your tires. You don't have to go to the garage or wonder where you put it. It's right in the glove box, very handy to have. Then we got the Pittsburgh battery terminal cleaner for $1, 74% off. This is another great thing to have. If you put a battery in and you don't put a spray protectant on there, they get cretted up or corrosion, and this will help you get that corrosion off, and then buy you a can of protectant, spray it with it, so you don't have to use that dollar you just spent again. Comes in real handy though, mostly if you got multi-vehicles, if you got mowers or anything like that that takes batteries, this is very handy to have. Then finishing off this row, we got a KN95 mask, 2-pack, your choice of color, which is going to be white or black. This is $1, 37% off. Another great deal. Starting off this row, we got the Hallmaster 1 5/8 inch solid rubber swivel caster for $1, 59% off. That's a great deal on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh 18-inch telescoping magnet pickup tool with 1.25 pound capacity, $2, 49% off. That's another great deal. Then we got the Harbor Freight 0.2 ounce semi-permanent thread lock. This is the blue for $2, 33% off. I'm definitely going to go to the store and buy a couple of these. I'm about out of it. I think it works pretty decent for what I've used it for. If you used it before, leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you. Then starting off this row, we got some consumables. We got the Bauer 5-inch PSA sanding disc, 5-pack, your choice of a whole bunch of stuff down here. Pause it if you want to read it. For $2, 59% off. That is a smoking deal. Next up here, we have a Gordon combination sharpening stone for $2, 33% off. That is a great deal, but I've never used it. If you've used it, leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you if this is any good or not. Finishing off this row, we got a Hallmaster assorted length elastic stretch cord, 6-piece, $2, 49% off. Definitely not a bad deal for that. Starting off this row, we got the Merlin 1/4-inch steel automotive coupler, your choice of female or male, for $3, 24% off. That's a good deal on that. Next up here, we got a Storehouse 18 compartment medium storage container, $3, 24% off. Another good deal. Then finishing off this row, we got the Storehouse heat shrink tubing assortment with case, 120 piece, $3, 39% off. Smoking deal on that. I need to pick one of these up. I'm about out of these. Starting off this row, we got the Chicago Electric soapstone marker set with the holder, a 4-piece, $3, 20% off. Not a bad deal on that. Then we got a Western Safety hard cap knee pads for $4, 19% off. Another great deal. Mostly if you're working on the ground or if you're on your knees, this would come in great for you. Finishing off this row, we got the Merlin 16-inch air tool oil, $4, 33% off. Very affordable way, good deal to save your air tools. Not many people use them anymore, but if you do, you definitely need to oil them. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh, a lifetime warranty 8-inch steel adjustable wrench, $4, 42% off. That is a great deal on that one. Then we got some more Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty 3/8-inch, 1/4-inch drive, SAE, and metric socket set, 40-piece for $5, 49% off. Come on now. This would be a cheap kit to throw in your car in case you need it. For $5, definitely worth it with a lifetime warranty. Then finishing off this row, we got a 7-function digital multimeter, $5, 30% off. Not a bad deal on that one. Starting off this row, we got a Storehouse nut and washer assortment. This one is a 460 piece. Nice. $5, 22% off. Great deal on that one. Then we got the 8-foot 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp for $5, 37% off. A good deal on that. Then finishing off this row, we got a Chicago Electric premium welding gloves, $6, 17% off, just above our threshold of 15. Good time to snag those, unless they come up with a better deal, which I don't think on Chicago Electric they do too often. Starting off this row, we got the Merlin air blow gun with extensions, 5-piece, $7, 22% off. Not a bad deal on that. Next up here, we have the US General magnetic bit storage, $8, 19% off. Not too bad of a deal on that. I don't know if they're going to do any 30% off of 20s anytime soon. If you want to wait for one of those, I would wait, but if not, I would snag it on this deal. And the same way with this one, we got the Hercules 1 3/8 bimetal precision tooth plunge blade for oscillating multi-tools. $9, but it's only 9% off. That's pretty lame. This is another one, unless you need it. I would wait for one of those better deals. Now let's see if there's been any new items added since the last dollar days we checked. All right, we do got some new tools here, and we got a lot of them, so let's get going over these. First off here, we got an Icon Professional 4.3-inch handheld inspection camera for $179.99. Next up here, we got a Hercules 20-volt 2-amp lithium-ion battery for $44.99. Then we got some more Hercules. We got a crimped carbon steel wire brush wheel set, 6-piece for $7.99. And then finishing off this row, we got a Predator 5,000-watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with the remote start and electric fuel injection, California compliant. This one's going to be $1,199.99. Let's see if there's anything else. Now in this row, we got some more new Icon stuff, starting off with the cooling system pressure test kit for $399.99. Then we got an Icon pneumatic cooling system filler and tester for $119.99. Got something new here from Bauer, a 0.6 amp variable speed precision crafting rotary toolkit, 14-piece for $39.99. And then the last thing we got here is something new from Hardy. We got some 13mm long cuff latex gloves, a 30-pack for $10. That might be worth picking up right there, just because they're thicker than the normal ones they normally carry, and they go up a little bit further on your wrist. There you go. There's a good look at that. That might be worth picking up. And there you have it. There's the dollar days going on from July 16th to July 29th, and some new tools. Is there anything you guys want to pick up? Leave a comment down below as always. And if you don't like something, also leave a comment down below. Like hearing the pluses and negatives, because I know some of you guys have seen these sales have been repeating a lot lately, which is kind of true on some of them. So even if it's a negative comment on the sale, leave it down below. I want to hear from you. As always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.